Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add and approve reviews with products. Click on Write a short review. Log in with your email. Now go to Review section. Give a rating. Write a short review. Click Send. Review has been added successfully. Now copy the order number. Go to the back end. Now go to Catalogs and Reviews. Click on Edit. Turn the status on. Write on the comments and save. Now refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.